In this segment, we delve into the fundamental aspects of internet marketing metrics. Firstly, we explore the definition of key metrics, which are quantifiable values used to measure the performance of online marketing campaigns. Next, we emphasize the critical role of tracking metrics in achieving success in the digital landscape. By monitoring and analyzing metrics, businesses can make informed decisions to enhance their online presence. Lastly, we discuss commonly used internet marketing metrics such as click-through rate, conversion rate, and customer acquisition cost, providing a foundational understanding for beginners in the field. This segment focuses on the essential steps for setting up Google Analytics to effectively track metrics. Firstly, creating a Google Analytics account allows businesses to access powerful insights into their website performance. Secondly, installing the tracking code on the website enables the collection of data on user behavior and interactions. Lastly, setting up goals and funnels within Google Analytics provides a structured approach to measuring and optimizing key actions on the website. By mastering these steps, businesses can gain valuable data for improving their online marketing strategies. This section delves into the significance of key performance indicators, KPIs, in internet marketing. Initially, we define KPIs as specific metrics that gauge the performance of online campaigns towards achieving business objectives. Subsequently, we explore various examples of KPIs tailored for different types of online marketing initiatives, illustrating their diverse applications. Lastly, we discuss strategies for determining which KPIs align with your unique goals, emphasizing the importance of selecting relevant metrics that directly impact your business outcomes. In this segment, we explore the critical aspects of analyzing conversion rates and click-through rates in internet marketing. Initially, we define conversion rates and stress their importance as a key metric for measuring the effectiveness of marketing efforts in driving desired actions from users. We then provide practical tips for enhancing conversion rates, including optimizing website design and compelling call-to-action strategies. Additionally, we discuss the calculation of click-through rates and their impact on marketing campaigns, highlighting the significance of engaging content and targeted messaging in boosting user interactions. This segment focuses on the pivotal role of data in optimizing marketing strategies. Firstly, we highlight the importance of using metrics to drive decision-making processes, emphasizing the value of data-driven insights in shaping effective campaigns. Secondly, we explore the concepts of A/B testing and multivariate testing as powerful tools for refining marketing tactics through controlled experiments. Lastly, we discuss the significance of adjusting marketing strategies based on in-depth metric analysis, enabling businesses to adapt and refine their approaches for better performance and results.